Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to switch your Instagram profile to a professional account, whether you're a creator, influencer, or running a business. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner, also known as the hamburger icon. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll down until you see a section called For Professionals. Under that, tap on Account Type and Tools. Now tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram. We'll take you through a few intro slides explaining what a professional account includes. You can just tap Continue through each one. Eventually, you'll reach a page titled What Best Describes You. Here you'll need to choose a category that fits your profile, like blogger, public figure, photographer, business, etc. You can also search for your own category if the suggestions don't fit. At this point, you can decide whether or not to display this category publicly on your profile. Just toggle the Display on Profile option if you want it to appear under your name. Next, Instagram will ask if you're a creator or a business. If you're an individual making content, go with creator. If you're managing a brand or company, choose business. Once you've selected, tap Next. You'll now have the option to link your professional Instagram to a Facebook page or another Instagram account. You can do this now or tap Not Now if you want to skip it. Once all that is complete, your account is officially switched to a professional one. Instagram may walk you through additional steps like building your audience, running ads, and using insights. Feel free to explore or skip for now. That's it. You're all set up with a professional account on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and comment below if you want a full walkthrough of Instagram creator tools. Thanks for watching.